Hey guys, so today we're going to start talking about percent proportions. So here, a percent is really just part of something divided by its total, and that should equal to the percent over 100. So while this is extremely useful and it would be handy when we're doing word problems, I would say this is probably the most handy thing of this entire lesson. Is over of is equal to percent over 100. So down below, I have the three different problems that we would be dealing with during these percent proportions. And I will demonstrate how they're supposed to be set up using this is over of equals percent over 100. So for my first problem here, I have what percent, so I don't know what the percent is, of 5,000 is 3.8. So my 3.8 is going with my is, so I'm going to go ahead and put that where the is on this little diagram thing. Now we have over of, here it says of 5,000 equals the percent, which here I'm asking what is the percent, so I'll go ahead and put an X there, over 100. And there you go. Now I have the proportion. I can go ahead and look at their cross multiples, and I could solve for x here. Let's go on to the next one. It says, what is 5% of 19? So the first thing I'm going to look for is my is. It says what is. So I don't know what the is. So I'm going to go ahead and put the x where the is part is. Over of. So I have of 19. I'll put 19 where the of part is. And that should equal to my percent, which here it says 5% over 100. And again, now I have the proportion, I could go ahead and I could start solving it using the cross multiples. All right, last type. 90% of what is 342? So I have 90% of what is 342. So my is 342. Over my of, but it says of what, so I don't know what the of is. And that equals to my percent, 90 over 100. And again, I could just go ahead, look at their cross multiples, and solve for x. Once you have mastered setting these guys up, it's pretty easy from here on out. So below I have a couple examples for you guys. I will do a couple with you, and then I want you guys to do the rest on your own. If we look at the first one here, I have 24% of 300 is what? So I have 20... Sorry, just a small pause here. My cat just jumped into a big pile of boxes, so if you heard that, I'm sorry. Alright, so I have 24% of 3,000 is what? So again, we're doing is over of equals percent over 100. So my is, I don't know what that is because it says is what. So I'll go ahead and put x there. Of, it says of 300. 24%. I'll put the 24 over 100. Now these are the ones I want to solve. So I'll go ahead and I'll look at their cross products. Boobity bop, bobbity boop. I got 100x is equal to, quick maths, 7,200. To get x by itself, I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 100. X equals 2, 72. That's it. That's all you're doing here. So 24% of 300 is 72. For the next one, I need to find 320% of 60. So I need to find 320% of 60. So again, looking at is over of equals percent over 100 is, well, I don't see is on here at all. It doesn't say is something. So that's going to be my x of, I have of 60. And then my percent is 320. I'm going to go ahead and look at their cross products. Boopity bop. Bobbity boop. I got 100x is equal to, oh my gosh, that's quick math. I got 0, 0, 2. Carry the 1, 18, 19. I hope these are correct. If it is, like, if it's not, sorry. One-step equation. X is equal to 192. 192. $45 is 60% of what? I got 45 is here. 60% and of what? So again, is over of equals percent over 100. I got 45 over x equals 60 over 100. Looking at their cross multiples. Boopity boop boop boop. 60x is equal to that. We can go ahead and divide both sides by 60. X is equal to, oh boy, on the spot here, 7. I bring that 75. Haha. All right. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more problems on this page. Go ahead and try out these 9 problems. Down here, you'll notice in the directions, it says to round to the nearest tenth or tenth of a percent. So make sure you're doing that when you're solving these problems, all right? We'll go over them in class when we see each other again. Okay, bye!